You came alone. What was the plan?
To kill all of you and then to leave.
And now, with all our guns out?
I'll manage.
You're the fastest 65-year-old white guy on the planet.
I guess I'm done.
You are officially retired.
How are you gonna spend your golden years, huh?
Dad!
Schatzel!
Oh, I missed you.
Now, since I'm retired, I'm gonna win my wife back. What's gonna stop us?
15-year-old divorce papers?
She doesn't love you anymore?
Luke, can I talk to you for a minute? We're gonna lose an operative. Codename's Panda.
I'm retired.
You zip in, extract Panda, grab the WMD, zip on out.
Holy shit.
My daughter is in the CIA.
What the f in this place?
Language.
Goody
Dollar in the swear jar.
I know where the WMD's stored, so follow me or get out of my way.
She clearly has daddy issues.
He treats me like a child.
Alcohol, cigarettes, and the garish lipstick.
That's not lipstick. Oh my god.
It's vibrating, my God.
Kill me now.
Take your daughter to work day is going well.
Emma!
I'm okay. Just take him out.
That was her violin arm.
What?
I've learned a ton from working with my dad. How he leads the team, how he keeps his cool, how to slit a man's throat vertically so he bleeds out faster.
They got more issues than Sports Illustrated.
Everyone in the bed now.
That was on me.
This is totally. Oh. You should end the marriage before you.
Do you think I'm a virgin?
Well, let me think what I want to think.
Oh my god, I'm 28.